Transporting stone kitchen countertops isn't easy. Until they're safely installed on cabinetry, there's always a risk that the material will crack or break. A metal rod is used to reinforce the weak areas of the stone, such as the slim pieces in front of and behind a sink. This helps prevent such damage. Unfortunately, if the moisture barrier around the sink ever fails, these metal rods can pose problems. The water seeps through the stone. When it comes in contact with the metal rusts and expands. In the stone and tile industry, this problem is called rod jacking. The pressure rod jacking causes can result in cracks or even breaks around the kitchen sink. The damage may occur between the sink and the edge of the countertop, or behind the sink between the faucet and the backsplash. When this type of damage happens, many homeowners believe they'll have to get a new sink installed, possibly even have the entire countertop replaced. But in most cases, with Beyond Stone Solutions' specialized repair and refinishing services, this won't be necessary. We have extensive knowledge and expertise in stone countertop repair and restoration, even complex repairs such as this. We carefully cut and remove the stone in the affected area so we can access the metal rod. Then we cut away any damaged metal, and we use abrasives to remove any residual rust on the stone. There's no need for concern that the countertop won't have enough support with portions of the rod now missing. Here's why. Once stone is installed on flat and level cabinets, it has all the support it needs. Rods are only used to provide support during transport. After thoroughly cleaning and neutralizing the stone, we reassemble any pieces we removed using very strong professional-grade adhesives and custom color-tinted epoxy. This type of repair results in a surface that's actually stronger than the stone itself. We meticulously caulk and seal to create a new dependable moisture barrier around the sink. Our highly trained, experienced technicians are so precise with the repair and restoration work that one would have to closely scrutinize the countertop to detect that there had ever been any damage. Homeowners who entrust Beyond Stone Solutions with this type of project are always relieved when they learn that our fees for repair and restoration are much less than what it would cost them to replace the entire countertop. If you have a crack or break in your stone countertop near your sink, schedule services right away. The compromised rod must be removed or the damage will get worse over time, possibly resulting in a loose sink and the need for more extensive repair work.